Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to move Discord overlay or reposition on Screen Game widget. What you have to do is to go on your Discord. Once you go on your Discord, go to settings. Here, make sure you go where it says game overlay. Right over here, click on this. And here, make sure that it's on and enable. Click on on. And on enable overlay, make sure that this is on, and also enable legacy overlay. Click on. Then after this, then you can run your game. For you to activate the Discord overlay, just press and hold Shift and the backtick key. The backtick key is the one that is located before 1 on your keyboard. So press the two keys, Shift and the backtick key, and the overlay will come out. And here you can move the widgets however you want and reposition them in a certain location that you prefer.